Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, the figure shows elliptical orbit of a planet M about the sun S. The shaded area SCD is twice the shaded area SAB. If T1 is the time for the planet to move from C to D and T2 is the time to move from A to B, then the concept of this question is Kepler's second law. So what is Kepler's second law? Kepler's second law states that the line joins any planet to the sun sweeps out equal areas in equal interval of time, which means that delta A over delta T is constant by Kepler's second law. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या गिवन है कि हमारे पास दो शेडेड एरियाज हैं एस सी डी एंड एस सी बी. इट इज गिवन कि जो एरिया एस सी डी है, एरिया SCD is twice the area SAB and you can see this also. Okay, तो हमें निकालना है कि T1 और T2 का रेशियो क्या होगा या उन दोनों के बीच में क्या रिलेशन होगा. Now we can see that delta A over delta T is constant, which means that A1 over A2 will be equals to T1 over T2 and A1 अगर हमने कंसीडर हम फर्स्ट और सेकंड देखते हैं. फर्स्ट अगर हमने कंसीडर किया एरिया एस सी डी और सेकंड हमने कंसीडर किया एस ए बी and second is SAB. Now what is given? That area of SCD means A1 is equals to 2 times of A2. Okay, so A1 over A2 is equals to 2. Therefore, writing this in this relation, so we will get this is equals to 2. Therefore, T1 is equals to 2 T2. This is a relation. ये हमारा relation आया between time period 1 and 2. So option number B is correct. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck for your future.